You're there. Now, when you finish on your back, rotate like that. Folks out there, if you're on your back and you're in the deep end, don't reach for the wall like this, because if you grab it, how are you gonna, look at my body, look what's happening in my body.
Oh, I have 100% done that before.
Okay?
Yes.
It's not gonna work. So you need to grab the wall on the deep end from your back, the same way you do a reverse pineapple. Roll on your belly, cross your belly behind your head like that. All of a sudden, your legs sink, your head's up, you can grab the wall, put the arm up, and you're gravy. All right, 3, 2, 1, roll. Good job. When you roll to your belly, you kept your head above water, that might get you into trouble.
Okay.
It's okay to put your face in the water when you roll your belly, no matter how close you are to the wall.
Oh,
You
okay.
can grab the wall with your head in the water. If your head is up, you sink faster.
Okay.
With your head down, you're more buoyant.
Right.
And more balanced.
Quadrant.
And 3, 2, 1, roll. Kick, kick, kick. There you go. There you go. Let's freaking go. If you guys want your own swim lessons with me in person, then email me right here. Sometimes there's a bit of a wait list and it might take a few months, but we will get you on the calendar and plan ahead. If you found this video helpful, splash that like button. If you want to show Sarah some encouragement, give an applause emoji in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for free, and thank you to our members who make it possible for us to do this every month. Check out the merch over on the website and consider following us on our other social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok for shorter clips and tips throughout the week. And with that said, get ready to rock it.